Welcome to the Electric Railway Man channel, where we showcase electric railways from around the world, not just in New York. Our channel features backyard railroads, hobby railways, transportation systems, industrial railways, and other novelty and unusual rail systems. Today, we're taking a brief look at the Westinghouse Bombardier/Alsthom People Mover systems at Tampa International Airport. This system transports travelers between the main terminal and baggage claim area and the airport gates. Tampa's automated people mover system began operation in 1971, using automated cars built by the St. Louis Car Company. Those original cars were eventually retired and replaced by Westinghouse Bombardier C100 and later CX100 model vehicles. Over the years, the airport has operated 3 generations of people mover cars. The newest generation, the Alsthom APM-30 series, has recently entered service. Currently, only 4 of these new vehicles are operating. Serving airsides, A and C2 cars at each airside have replaced the older blue cars, while some second-generation red cars continue to operate. At present, it appears that the new Alsthom units are operating on only one guideway at each airside A and C, while the remaining guideways are being rebuilt and upgraded for the new vehicles. If both guideways at an airside are out of service for maintenance, travelers must use the pedestrian walkway located between the 2 guideway tracks to reach their gates or return to the main terminal. During my visit, airside E was not operating people mover service, and travelers had to use the walkway instead. Airside F is expected to be the last terminal to receive the new Alsthom vehicles, as its current CX100 cars replace the older 1987-built C100 fleet in 2008. The modernization of Tampa International Airport's people mover system continues, ensuring that this unique transportation network will serve travelers well into the future.
We're about to depart. Please stand clear of the doors and hold handrails firmly at all times.